maximum naturalness still occupies a leading position in the world of makeup. And this, of course, will please the owners of thick eyebrows. I combed it, put it with gel, and now, you are already in trend. However, not everything is as clear as a couple of seasons ago. In 2023, there is a strong trend in this segment to keep eyebrows to a minimum. So far, it appears only on the big catwalks and in the images of celebrities. But the hour is uneven, we will again wear eyebrows threads. Lighting was also the peep of the season. Set a new trend British makeup artist Issa Maya French. At the Vivienne Westwood show, she lightened the eyebrows of the models, then to draw thin strings on top of them. It turned out boldly, extravagantly, unusually. How Michigan this fashionable technique will take root among ordinary fashionistas, time will tell. Strayer eyebrows is a trend that came to us from the Eastern beauty culture. For several seasons in a row, it has remained relevant. However, in 2023, you should not make straight eyebrows unnecessarily wide. Try to slightly reduce their shape. It looks more aesthetically pleasing and meets the latest fashion trends. Today, gittles tend to emphasize their softness and femininity. Therefore, fashionable female arched eyebrows in the 2023 season are listed as key trends. This shape will help smooth out pointed facial features, visually correct a massive chin and protruding cheekbones. Shiny eyebrows are also in fashion in 2023. Apply shimmer or glitter to your eyebrows in any shade that suits your look. It will be very efficient. Moreover, girls over May 30th will resort to such a fashionable technique. To securely fix sparkling particles on the hairs, first go over the eyebrows with gel. Wide textured brows are incredibly popular these days. Of course, they need special care, but the effect is worth it. Another plus is the minimal correction, because only those hairs that do not fit into the selected contour will have to be removed. And it's okay if the laying sticks out in different direction. This is the top one. The popularity of curved eyebrows remains consistently high. They soften sharp facial features, visually rejuvenate the image. Curved corner makes the look wide open, more interesting. Unlike straight eyebrows, these are suitable for girls with small eyes. Perfectly smooth eyebrows with clear outlines are one of the leading fashion trends in 2023. They help to make the image of the lady more spectacular, and the look, expressive. Such eyebrows, where hair to hair, need regular adjustment and often coloring. Thick, upturned eyebrows are the squeak of the 2023 season. They look quite original. To give the eyebrows the desired shape, makeup artists recommend using a gel of a light shade of strong hold. At the same time, it is better to do makeup not too catchy, so that the image does not acquire the status of outrageous. Another novelty of the season is pearl eyebrows. They were first shown at the Jonathan Hayden show. The design of the eyebrows with mother-of-pearl beads surprised and excited millions of fashionistas.